Hi, I'm Andrew Potocnik, here to introduce the new Sherwood Heligrind 2.0 grinding jig. This is a jig that makes grinding tools easy, and you can get repeat angles all the time. For instance, I've used it to grind my skew chisel, which is part of my turning kit, which has to be ground on an angle. I've used this attachment, which also enables me to sharpen my bowl gouges, and it gives me a nice sweeping curve around the edge. And I've used it to sharpen this chisel too. You can also use it to sharpen plane blades, and the best part is you get this lovely hollow grind which enables you to then hone to a razor sharp edge. How does this jig work? Well, you've got a couple of adjustments here. You've got this locking lever that allows you to bring the tool into contact with the stone, and once you've got that set, you can lock it. You have this other lever which allows you to adjust a secondary angle, and you also have this lever here which enables you to either slide the jig in or out of the stone, so you can get a perfect angle for every tool. One of the great things about this jig is the ease with which you can change from one tool to another. For instance, with the chisel, I need to grind at a 90-degree angle. But to do my skew, I need to change the angle to something that's more akin to about a 45-degree. So how do I do it? Easy. Loosen these screws, pull the blade out, take the clipping section off, unscrew this little pin here, move it to a second position, and that effectively will trap the skew at the angle that I want. And then I simply replace the rest of the jig, put the skew into position, tighten the two thumb screws, and you're ready to go. Apart from needing to grind your chisels every so often to get a fresh edge, there might be the occasion where you've accidentally nicked the blade. The beauty of these jigs is you can just set them up, grind and grind, cool the blade down, come back to the grinder, and you'll have the same angle, and you keep sharpening until you get rid of that nick. The best thing for me with this jig is this little attachment here. It enables me to simply put a bowl gouge in here, and by following the profile of the sleeve, I can create a fingernail grind over and over with repeated success, and it's uniform every time, and it's easy. So now that you've seen what we can do with this jig, don't forget to click on the links below for more information. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll get back to grinding my perfect fingernail grind.